I would like to welcome you again to Accra Compost and Recycling Plant. What we do here is we process municipal solid waste. Okay, so what I and my colleagues here will do is we'll now take you through the plant and then show you what we actually do. So I'll take one group and then my other colleagues will take other individual groups. Are we okay? If you have any questions, draw my attention, draw their attention. You can also draw your teacher's attention, then we address your questions for you. So where we are now is the weigh bridge. What we do over here is we take the weight of the waste we receive, okay? When a new car comes in, he weighs here first before going to the receiving bay. So this is the curing site. And then what we do here is after the compost or organic material has been screened at the back, it is brought here for monitoring. What we monitor here is the temperature, the moisture content, and then the microbial activity. Behind me is plant B, okay? And if you look down here, these two slots, those are your primary sorting slots, okay? And then in there, that bigger room, that's your receiving bay, okay? And then that big green machine, that's called your drum feeder, okay? We have the wheel loader in there. The wheel loader feeds the drum feeder with waste, okay? And the drum feeder now spreads the waste onto a conveyor. The conveyor brings the material up, and then the primary sorters up there, they now select out the bulky materials. It's called a pyrolysis machine. What it does is it turns plastics to fuel.
Firstly, when we came here, we were sent to the reception and later sent to the training room where we were given some tutorials about what will be happening here. And we learnt many things, how the waste were being processed with some big machines and all those stuff. It was very interesting. And finally, we got to the recycling point where it was normal for everyone to breathe. And we were shown the plastic pellets which were used for materials like dustbins and helmets and all that stuff.
I was so amazed to see a bigger machine segregating waste materials, separating both metals and plastics from each other.
GSTEP 2025 Industry Visit to Accra Compost Recycling Plant has really helped us a lot, because a lot has been learned here through the staff. They took us through how waste has been recycled. In fact, this also relates to the project we are embarking on. So when we go, we are going to use what we've learned to help complete our project.
Today's visit was amazing and fantastic because when we came to the Accra Compost and Recycle Plant, we learned about recycling and organic matter, and it also tackles about our project, the waste to energy converter. Our waste to energy converter will convert waste to energy, and that is electricity and heat.